In the boundless expanse of space, pulsing with mystery and a thrum of infiniteness, Astrea, a young physicist, unravels the fabric of reality itself, existing as a speck in the cosmos, illuminated by starlight. Delving into the intricacies of the theory of relativity, she discovers that time can warp, stretch, and pulse like undulating waves. Her work takes her on a journey, not only through space, but inward into the maw of existentialism and into the heart of her own human experiences. As she probes deeper into this vast cosmic sea, she begins to see parallels between the universe's laws and her own life. Every action she takes, every secret kept, every love kindled, every loss suffered, leaves a permanent imprint, like a star in the night sky. Against the backdrop of this cosmic drama, Astrea looks anew at love, feeling it as a force as all encompassing as gravity, binding and shaping the universe. Lost transforms from an ending into an echo that resonates through time, altering who she is and the world.